right, so this is just an emergency or kind of travel kit that I use for the dog. Some people might want to call it a dog bug out kit, but basically it's just to help kind of make traveling with the pup a little bit more convenient. Not too fancy, but basically just have an extra towel for drying her off if she goes into the water. Some food bowls. These are just some glow sticks that I could put on the leash and her collar in case we were walking at night. As far as first aid supplies go, pretty much everything that you have in a human first aid kit works for dogs. I do have some specific stuff though, which is an eye rinse for her. I've got this little dropper and then or a syringe, and then a specific pet thermometer, and then some blood stopper for cuts and such. And then for her grooming, just her brush, nail clippers, and a little scissors. She's got long hair. A spare leash, and then this is just a kind of lead extender for her, just to, if I need to tie her up for whatever reason. And then her winter coat, and then a bag of food. What you don't see is a couple water bottles in the back that I have. And then this is the case that I have for her hammock, which I'll show you here. So I've got a rag here, or towel for her paws. And then this is just an extra cushion for her. So when we travel, it goes inside the person's house. And then this is the hammock itself. That kind of protects the seats from her, especially being dirty. And this time of year it's spring, so there's just mud everywhere. And then her main leash right here when we need it. So that is my dog kit.